My name is Pastor Darcy Tillman, and I have the privilege of serving as the pastor at Lutheran Church of the Covenant in Dale City, Virginia. And I'm excited to share with you information about one of our upcoming events, which will be on March 23rd at Lutheran Church of the Covenant at 9 a.m. We are partnering together with the Woodbridge Rotary Club to pack over 30,000 meals. We have done and participated with Rise Against Hunger for 4 years. This is our 5th year. Last year we were able to pack over 32,000 meals, and this year we hope to exceed that. We are excited because this year is our 50th anniversary, and we are excited to continue to be able to serve not only our local community, but around the world. These meals will be distributed to those folks who are in need around the world. A lot of them are given to children to try to encourage the children to have the energy to go to school and to learn so that they can make a difference as they grow up. We'd love to have you join us in this. There are 2 ways. One is that you can make a financial contribution. Each meal is 29 cents, so for $29 you can purchase 100 meals and feed 100 people. The other way that you can serve is to come and be part of the event, which again is on March 23rd at Lutheran Church of the Covenant at 9 a.m. And with it, you can be 4 years old or you can be 94 years old. So you can bring your whole family, from grandparents to parents to children to grandchildren, and come and gather together to pack these meals. It's fun, it's exciting, and you can make a difference. So come and help us to feed the hungry with our Rise Against Hunger event on March 23rd. Thank you.